All right, so we're gonna do some smart summon here. My car is a little ways away, as you can see, and we are going to have it come to me. And it's in a tight spot, so we'll see how this works. I'm just gonna walk over here. So I'd say I'm about 200 feet away by now. There's other cars around. So we're gonna hit the come to me button and watch it. So it's moving forward, turning left out of that spot. It's gonna meet up with this car. It's probably going, holy crap, there's nobody in there. So this looks pretty straightforward. There's not a lot of traffic around. And I'll just get it to come straight to me. And I'm just going to hold it, see if it stops on its own. And it does. And I'll let go. That was really, really good. We're gonna get my car to come to us. So we're gonna go to summon. And let's see. We're gonna go to the front of Walmart here. And show you where we are. So we're parked, not too many cars around. Where the car's parked, I left a spot in front. I wanted to see if it would go forward, and it doesn't. It actually will reverse. And this guy is letting me cross the road. Let's see, we'll go maybe right to here. So we are basically in front of Walmart. So we're gonna get the car to come to me. So here we go. I'll let go and start again. There it goes. There is another car there. It's waiting. Oh, car turn. So we're making the right hand turn. And we are driving along. There is a stop sign. Watching me here. So we hit the stop. No signal on. Good interaction. There you go. That was really good.